Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be rebuilding our carburetor for our dirt bike that you guys saw in the last video. Basically we were having problems with the dirt bike carburetor. The pilot jet, which is the smallest jet, it is clogged, so we got a whole new rebuild kit. We're going to be doing that, so let's go ahead and get straight to the video. And also guys, remember, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe and share it for anybody else who is having problems with their carburetor. Maybe they're having the same issues, so maybe this video can help them out. Alright guys, as you can see, we have our parts right here. And here is our carburetor over here. We got our float bowl, which I did clean it up some. You guys can't really see, sorry. And then here's our carburetor. It's also really dirty, so we're going to clean up all this and then replace these jets, and we should be good. Alright guys, so hopefully you can see this. It's cleaned up a bit more. Did I show you this earlier? I don't know. Yeah, it's looking a bit better now. Didn't take the float off because realized that thing was sitting perfect, and so didn't want to break something that wasn't already broken. Later on, if we need to, we can replace it because it did come with a float valve. But so far, it is looking pretty good, and it's in pretty good condition. It's old, so it's not going to be perfect, but it's going to work, hopefully, for now. So yeah, let's go ahead. We're going to keep cleaning this a little bit longer, and then it's going to be time to replace some of the stuff that needs to be replaced, like the jets and stuff. Alright, so I've worked with a little bit more. Not much has come out of it anymore. See if you can see up under there. See, it looks pretty dirty, but none of that stuff is coming out. So I think I'm just going to replace stuff now. Replace everything that we need to out of this thing. We've got our old jets and stuff right there. So we're going to replace those. So let's get on to doing that. Alright, so right here are our pilot jets. This is the one that is stuck. These are not OEM parts, so you guys can see there's probably going to be a little bit of a difference. But we got our new, I'm not even sure what this is called right there, I'll be dead honest with you. But we got the new one versus the old. Here's our big jet. The main thing was the pilot jet. The carburetor would work if it wasn't for that. So we're going to go ahead and replace all this. Let's hope it will work if we get it running today. Alright, hold on. Look at this here, guys. Look, we got... This might be a little bit dirty, but it is clean all the way through. We got this new shiny pilot jet in there. That's looking real nice. So let's hopefully, after that, it'll start working. We can put this in, get some gas in the dirt bike, and hopefully it will start up and we can have this thing running. Alright guys, so here is the finished, halfway, somewhat rebuilt carburetor. We cleaned it up some that's just gonna be left alone because if it ain't broken, don't fix it. But we replaced this and this. Other than that, we kind of left it alone, hoping that this will now help it to run. So now we're gonna put it on the carburetor, get the put this on the dirt bike, and hopefully we can get this to run. We're gonna mess with the idle. We got some gas. Gonna empty out that gas tank that's in it, just the idle, and hopefully we can have this thing running and it's gonna be able to run, drive, and I can have fun on it again. But I guess we'll go ahead and get to that. Alright guys, so I hope you guys can hear me and everything, but what we got going on here is, I hope you guys can see what I am doing, but we're just putting this carburetor back in here, and we're gonna put this in here. Yeah, one reason why I have the head strap on is because I'm actually testing this, because I just got a new camera. I got a GoPro instead of what I was using, which was like a cheaper one. And so, will this fit? So I don't know where I'd put my tripod anywhere right here, so I'm testing this. I think this ran back through there, so I gotta get this. This is like the runoff or overflow. I'm just gonna sit it in there. Actually, I gotta take this tape off. Yeah. Wait, hold up, guys. Before we actually do this, I gotta put this back on. I have to drain the fuel tank. So I'll be right back. Alright, guys. So right here, we're taking the fuel tank off. It's about to get drained. Got the seat off and everything. Got this, where is it? This one last screw right here. This thing's gonna come off. We're gonna be able to put the seat back on after we put it back on and drained it. And yeah, after that, should be able to get everything back on here and hopefully let's get it running. Alright guys, so we gotta put in these 10mm screws right here into the sides of the seat. Put the carburetor in. Actually gotta get that mud plate, that's what I'm gonna call it, on there. And we should be good to go after that. And then we'll crank it up, possibly. It's getting pretty dark out because time changed recently. So we're gonna have to get that. But I gotta get this extension. Alright, so we're gonna have to get that possibly another day. Might do that Monday or something. But yeah, so we're gonna be getting that done. And now where's my other screw? Oh man, I've lost my screw. Oh, there it is. Found it. Yeah, we gotta get this one in. I ain't going in crooked, is it? I don't trust it. Alright, sorry guys, sitting a little sideways. I don't want y'all guys to fall. Now you're on the ground. Alright, so now we got to get our Allen key and Allen bolt, tighten this down. Alright, so that is done. I might put on the GoPro head strap thing to put that on, just see how to do that and get that thing working, see if I like it. Because I feel like that gives you guys a better view of how things are getting put on and everything. Yeah, put on the head strap. And then we'll get this on. Hopefully we can get this thing working. I'm really excited. So let's go ahead and do this. Put the gas cap on. Yeah, so let's get that done because it's getting late and dark. And I don't want to be working in the dark or have to push it to another day. Alright guys, so as you can see, the carburetor is finally set in there. And it is dark. As you can see, take flashlight away, there is nothing to not see anything. So we're going to try and put a little bit of fuel in here. We're about to go eat some supper. So we're going to put a little bit of fuel in here, and hopefully we can get it to start. Might be able to do just a few little adjustments, but yeah, we're going to go do that. And hopefully we can get this thing running in this video. Alright, so you guys can't really see it because there's no light. But we are about to try and crank it.
Got the cap on?
Oh. How is the light over here? Oh, you can probably see somewhat. Alright, let's see.
Can you hold the camera?
Yeah, you can. Just hold it by the tripod. Give it a little bit of gas.
Yeah.
think it's good.
You got that thing where it's not on.
It's on reserve. Oh wait, choke. I closed it.
You need to choke closed, yeah. You got enough gas in there?
Oh, we got a leak.
Hmm?
We got a leak.
What's leaking?
Gas. Not even holding the camera. Hey. Alright guys, so my dad's gonna try and get it. We got a fuel leak right there.
Where's that choke at?
It's right there.
You didn't tighten that screw in over here all the way, did you?
No. Might just need to wait and do some fine adjustments.
Yeah. Alright, let's go eat.
Turn the fuel off. Alright guys, so that might be another video, but yeah, we're gonna do that later on. So I'll see you all in the next one. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and we'll see you later.